when companies are, everybody's going kind of crazy right now with AI, and probably rightfully so, because you want something that you're not sure
Mhm.
you can have,
Yeah.
and maybe that's it. And if you can have it, what do you have to do to have it, right? And
Yeah.
it's complex. It's not as easy as it looks. Some parts of it might be a little easier, and it's not like, hey, I can go to Claude or Chat GPT and put something in, and that's how it's going to react inside my
Mhm.
business,
Yep.
because it's taking your business data and then interpreting that, and then there's obviously needs to be an outcome that's satisfactory and truthful. So when you're looking across all your experiences and some of the things that we've always talked about, so Michael and I
Mhm.
have been on some podcasts in the past. What are some of the biggest mistakes some of these organizations make when they're adopting
Mhm.
new technology? And I think you got to look at it from a bookend perspective: the vendors when they propose the technology, and then the customers.
Yeah. Well, I'll start with the customers because it's an interesting one, but I've seen the same patterns over and over and over again. Like I ran implementations and I ran services teams and I was an analyst, consulting with companies. Almost always I saw three things that showed up, right? So first of all, people love shiny objects, so they would always want to lead with the technology instead
Yep.
of the problem, right? They fall in love with the idea, the capability, and then they try to figure out how to use it. Or I bought this thing, what do I do with it? That's kind of backwards. And then, I think the second piece, and this is particularly important now, but it's always been important. They don't like to invest in what you might think of the unglamorous parts or the parts that aren't shiny,
Yep.
like data, process redesign, change management. That's honestly that's where the value comes from. That's how you win or lose, is
Yep.
laying the right foundation. And then, I think the third one, and I've seen this over and over again, is treating adoption like it's a thing you do once and check it off.